guys, welcome to Jam's Playtime. Today we're going to be opening a gymnast. Let's see what she can do on the back. The back, she can do this. You can pop that off and on. She can do the hula hoops and she can flip. So let's get started. We're going to open right here. Let me show you what she has. She has a trophy. It's golden. And she has a medal. And she has clothes when she's done so she can put it on. And she has some shoes. And these things, I don't know what these are, but they look fun to play with. She got some bananas. I think these are granola mix. And she got some water. Some hula hoops. And she has a towel when she sweats. And she has another uniform. She has this to spin around her. Let's try it. Saying hello. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.